Today we are back at Stanley Park to do our weekly update on the Anfield stand expansion at Liverpool's football ground. So there it is. We are going to be taking a closer look, doing a full walk around video, and we're going to get the drone up in the air while it's not raining and see what it looks like from the top as well. You might have noticed we missed our video on Tuesday. That's just because the weather was so bad we couldn't get the drone up in the air to do the video, so we're going to include that for you today. As always, if you've got any comments, any questions that you want me to try and find out, leave them in the comments below and we'll get to them just as soon as we can. But right now we're going to get into this video. This will be a walk around with a voiceover, and then we'll have the drone on with our usual classy funky music. Let's get into this. We'll see you soon. Take care. more materials being delivered there since last time. It's looking pretty full indeed. So we're going to start at the main stand side this week for the walk around. So they've started putting the roofing on the actual roof now. We don't like that job. So yeah. And in a couple of weeks when the World Cup starts, that's when they are going to start taking down the old Anfield Road roof. That's been confirmed. There we go. You can actually get a little better view of the roof from here. So I wonder when the roof's going to be finished, like the new roof's filled in. They have started doing that, and you'll see that in the drone video that's included within this video. I'll tell you something, it's a muddy one today. Muddy one. Okay. So the little cranes are all moving around, but since we've been here, this big crane hasn't been doing anything much. Okay, so the concrete is now complete. The concrete floor looks like everything's in place. There. So that's a big milestone. That's up. All the support structures are now in place as well. Apologies, I'm afraid I've lied to you there. There's still a little gap in that third one in. Don't know whether you can see that there. The third one into the back, that they've still got to do a little bit of work on that one there. But other than that one piece, everything else seems complete with regards to the floor of the new stand. Moving on to this corner stand. Looks a lot more secure since the last time we were here, doesn't it? We'll go round and have a proper look at that in a minute. But that's what it's looking like so far. Yeah. This crane's dipping down for something. We'll just hang around, see what it gets. Here we go, it's coming up. Let's just see. Get a little action shot for you here. Here we go. That might be the final piece of concrete going into there, I might suspect. There it goes. Going into there, I think. There you go, little action shot for you there. It's going. Okay. Yeah, I think that's definitely where that's going. That's where it's heading. I don't know whether the corner stand was that high last week. I think that big circular steel pole wasn't there. But yeah, that's going in to the top stand now. So here we are, the other side. the side that joins onto the Kenny Dalglish stand. Sir Kenny Dalglish. So that concrete's gone into that. See, I don't know whether you can see, but there, that concrete's gone into that floor there. So it's not quite completely finished, but it is well on the way. And then you can see there, if you look through, the roof, the paneling at the top of the roof starting to go on as well. So this is meant to be done by, I think it opens at the end of next season. So it is well on the way to being finished on time. There you go. That is the end of this week's video from the Anfield Road expansion update here in Liverpool, Liverpool Football Club. If you do have any comments or any questions you'd like me to try and find out, leave them in the comments below. But until next time, we'll see you soon. Take care of yourselves.